Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Daniela, and today I'm going to show you how to unpick the stubborn serger seams.
I threaded the serger with different colors so it's hopefully easier to see. I like to cut the free end of the seam to get it out of the way. Then I want to pull out a bit of the needle threads. I'm going to start pulling those needle threads out of the fabric. I'm careful not to break the thread, but if I do, it's not such a big deal. I will just have to work on smaller sections. I'm pulling the needle thread in one direction and the fabric in the opposite until the thread starts to come out of the fabric. I'm pulling it all the way out. Then I'm going to repeat with the second needle. This one is usually easier to come off. This is a 4-thread serger, so it has 2 needles. If you need to unpick a 3-thread serger seam, you are going to deal with just 1 needle. Once I have both needles out, the looper threads just come off because there is nothing to hold them in place anymore. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. I have another video on how to quick and easy unpick the cover stitch machine seam. If you are interested, check it out in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more sewing and DIY videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!